Yeah, get ready for some ace. Okay, so first thing we gotta do. This is very important. Zoo Mo Ge Fufu. Zumoge Fufu. This is Link's name. This is our hero. And with that, let's just get started. So, for now, I'm just gonna be doing Oracle of Ages. Pretty much just Oracle of Ages 90%. And I'm going to get to the point where I can do Arbitrary Code Execution in Oracle of Ages, just like 90%. Difference is my name is different, so the payload is going to be different than our standard 80% run. And I'm going to use that to create an exploit in Oracle of Ages, which will be linked to Oracle of Seasons over the link cable. So that's what we're doing this run. Now, I just hope I remember how to play Oracle of Ages, because it has been a while. And I've like never played it on the Japanese version. Hey Mr. Cheese, thanks for the luck. I really hope this works. Hey Hope, thanks. Yeah, I think anyone who prefers seasons over ages is going to feel annoyed at this. Because, like, I'll just be perfectly honest, I'm not gonna be playing much of seasons. So anyone who prefers ages will feel vindicated, anyone who prefers seasons will feel very annoyed. So we'll be playing ages for about an hour and a half before we actually get to the ace part. It's basically just ages 90% until we get there. I wonder how much I should try to explain. Like, I guess if I try to explain everything at the very end, like, I'm not gonna be able to, because I'll be too busy entering Japanese names. I won't be able to actually talk. Yeah, it's interesting, because I'm gonna try D4 skip. I'm gonna give it a few attempts, see if I get it. It's interesting because, Ace exists in Oracle of Ages, but it takes quite a while to actually get to that point. Like, you need to get a bunch of items before you can actually reach the point where you can do Ace. So if we just had a way to get early Tune of Ages and get out of bounds, then we would do that, but we can't. We have to beat Dungeon 6. Well, yeah, there's other dungeon sips too, but, like, yeah. Okay, so first difference in this route, I believe this is the fastest point to do this. We're just gonna go ahead and name the child right away. New Fuko. A new Fuko. I'm naming this child Anu Fuko-chan. Yeah, we get 2 names to use payloads with. Actually, this isn't a spoiler because I already demonstrated this, but we actually get to change the child's name. I think you saw it actually, we get to change the child's name. So we can just keep changing the payload to whatever we want, and that's what's going to help us prepare our payload for upload seasons. Yeah, basically, so Link's name is a payload, which opens the menu to modify the child's name. And they both get executed at the same time, so basically, we keep changing the child's name, and then keep executing that. And that gives us total control, pretty much. That tree's dead. Don't worry, we're gonna save the tree. So I'll talk a bit about the exploits I'm doing, I guess, right now, while I have time, and I'll go over them again later. But I'm not gonna be able to talk much later, so basically there's 2 exploits I found in the link cable. Linking. The first exploit is basically your game has a boolean variable for whether it's a linked game or not. So it's supposed to be a value which is either 0 or 1. But if you change it to a value which is not 0 or 1, then the game, when it initializes your file, it just adds that linked game value to an index in a table. So if it's not a value that's 1, then if it's like 5 or something, it'll read the completely out of bounds value. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm supposed to get Big Grippy here, but I completely messed it up. Hang on, what was I supposed to listen for? I don't know why it didn't work. Okay, I was supposed to get some money here, but I'm gonna have to do a backup. Anyway, I was talking about the exploit with the linked game thing. Hello, Greg is lost. My exploit with the link cable is when you set the boolean variable for whether your file is a linked game to something that's not a boolean, so like a value of 5, it reads an out-of-bounds value in a table, and that basically just corrupts your file. Like, it just messes up the initial state of your file to a very huge extent, depending what the value is. So like, you can have a file which just spawns in completely the wrong place, and like has a bunch of properties that are just totally wrong, like Link has glitched items or whatever. So that's one exploit. The second exploit is corrupting your animal companion value. And then when you open the map, because the layout of the map changes based on who your animal companion is, if you have a very high value for your animal companion, it reads an out-of-bounds value from a table, and it just corrupts random memory addresses. Well, not random, but incorrect memory addresses get corrupted. And so I'm going to use both of those vulnerabilities. They're both going to help. I could get by with just one of them, but having both of them speeds things up. So, yeah. And by the way, I've prepared a very long and detailed explanation on how this all works. I'll post it on my blog after this run is done. I just didn't want to listen to the Mecha Tree again. Hey, save state, thanks for the luck. I have not played Ages in a while. So, let's see how this goes. Where should I get my rupees? I don't know when a good time is. I'll just get them before I get the food, I guess. And for luck, never doors. Yeah, so this is going to be a very kind of rough run. I just kind of want to show off the ace at the end. But I haven't really practiced ages in a while. So there's going to be some rough spots, like already I missed the rupee manip. Oh, the shield, that's true. Yeah, the save warp for when getting the harp, that's probably the best time. And again, this part is supposed to be manipped, but I wouldn't have done that anyway because I didn't practice this far for the manip. I just wanted the rupees. So I wouldn't have had to go so far out of my way to get the genie if I had manipped this part. No, there's really no change in the ages route. The only difference is I named the child at the very beginning. Other than that, we're just gonna basically do any percent until we get to the part where we can do ace. Yeah, that's basically it. But what if I get first try D2 skip and D4 skip? Then we'll be laughing. Oh wait a minute. I need to get kills. I forgot, I wasn't counting. Oh no. I need kills for Maple. Oh wait, let me just kill these moblins. That doesn't really work, unfortunately, in this game. Well, it can kind of work, but like RNG is like easily manipulatable, so it's like it's not an easy excuse to make to like say, oh, that was just RNG manipulation. It doesn't work. It doesn't work all the time. Okay, so hopefully I have enough kills for Maple. I don't know if I do or not. That's true, I can fool the average viewer. I've now started an RNG manipulation to get a specific item from Maple. If Maple doesn't appear, I'll just forget about it. I don't really need the powering that much, even though it is faster. But I want to get the powering from Maple because it makes me more powerful and I can kill bosses faster. And also a potion, which is nice. Ace, that's true. You don't know. None of you know how this works. Yeah, D2 skip. I don't know how to remove that from the title. Like, it's because live split on Linux is weird, and it's just it's reading from like old data. I don't know how to change it. Okay, well, goodbye to Maple Manip, I guess. Yeah. Okay, we're not getting empowering this run. I slashed one, then I sorted one too many times. Yeah, we should remove that setting because there's no point to it anymore. Thanks for the Luxurial. It does get kind of stupid. I mean, it's mostly just entering Japanese names, so like if you're cool with that, then go for it. Was I supposed to have the seeds equipped here? I don't even know. I guess I was. Yeah, well I updated GBI and the default palette for GBI changed. So that's why the colors look a bit different. Does it look better or worse? What do you think? Okay, looks like we have mixed opinions. I'm playing on Game Boy Player with the Game Boy interface software, replacing the Game Boy Player disc. It's definitely different. I can always change it back, I don't know. We'll see how I feel about it. Okay, now we're gonna get the rupees now. Hard reset to reset the RNG. Huh? I didn't enter the shop. Oops. Yeah, I failed the rupee roundup. I don't know, this run might be too optimized to beat. Okay, we got our rupees. Linked has like its own like leaderboard. It's separate from the separate games. Like there's the Oracle of Ages, Oracle of Seasons, and then Linked Oracle of Ages and Seasons category leaderboard on speedrun.com. Yeah, I think maybe someone should add it if that's possible. I know it'd be weird to have like 3 different ones on there, but I think Mashi could probably add it. Oh, save up faster in Japanese. I've never played this game on Japanese, I don't know these things. Okay, that was like 2014. That was a while ago. It's a much larger set of characters available in Japanese. Like, English has like, what, 52 characters? European version has a few more, like has a few symbols added to it. Japanese has like, you can input any byte between hexadecimal 60 and hexadecimal FF, so like that's way more. Like, what, 150 or so? 150 or so characters? Wait, is that right? Yeah, I think that's right. Thanks, Greg. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, all three of the 100% runs are from that... All three of the 100% runs on the leaderboard now are from that race. On the 20th anniversary. Can we make EU ace? I mean, yeah. Sure, there's no reason why not. Just like we can do English ace. I mean, I don't want to, because it'll be much harder, even though I have a few more characters. Oh, by the way, I recently discovered on the Japanese version of this game, I shared this in the Discord, you have one frame to use an item in this screen, and in the Japanese version, you can also use your harp on this screen. So in a task, you can get here with a Tune of Currents, which means you can use a Tune of Currents on this screen and warp out, and then warp back in, and you'll be able to actually enter Gambi's Palace, and that'll let you skip Dungeon 6 and get to the Tune of Ages early. But it's a task-only trick, because you can't get here with the Tune of Currents in an RTA run. SpongeBob, I don't know what happened to me, and like, that was some weird phase I went through when I was doing SpongeBob. I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, I remember you linked that in Discord, you asked if it was possible, and I said no, it's not possible. That was because I never knew about the Japanese version. Being able to do that. Wait. Yeah, New Ages task is gonna be very cool. If and when someone makes it. No, I said I was gonna make a Lotad, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if BizHawk even supports that for testing. Okay, that would be kind of weird, having both games running. Because, like, you're not playing Seasons until you actually finish Ages, so I don't know. By the way, I'm very curious as to why the audio messes up in BGB when you link the games. It's very strange. I guess you don't have any ideas why that happens, Nitros? I almost feel like it's some kind of emulation bug, but I don't actually know what's going on. Okay, see you, Greg. Bad RNG with these ropes. Okay, when I do try to link the two games together on my computer, the games slow down to 30 FPS, and I think it's because of VSync. Something like that. There's two games at the same time having VSync on, somehow reduces to 30 FPS. But I'm running Linux, and so it's kind of weird. Yeah, I've emailed the dev before. He's pretty responsive. Well, I think I have the auto setting on BGB. That was just kind of what I was guessing. That's true, actually. They probably shouldn't be VSync, so I don't know what... Maybe I'm just completely wrong. Is this like 4 cycles? This is a disgrace. I'm pretty sure Beware is still developing BGB. I emailed him just recently about a problem I had, and he was responsive. Yeah, so I might be just completely wrong about the actual cause of the problem. I don't have... Okay, I can get Ember Seeds outside, that's fine. It's very strange to have no Ember Seeds. Mr. Seeds, I guess that's fine. You found the ace? I did. I mean, I found the link cable ace. SBD found the ace in Oracle of Ages, which we're going to use first. I didn't buy a shield. Good thing I realized, or otherwise I would have had to do the old D2 skip. I'm not doing the old D2 skip, never again. Okay, need to enter here, and then save again to set the RNG correctly. Yeah, I found the remote code execution, basically. Hello, Hyrule. Hello? Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, you can laugh at me. It's fine. Did I like... Yeah, I reset over the Mr. Seeds I just got, so that's why that happens. Hi, Tampa. Please look away now. I'm losing so many frames, it's a disgrace. That's not something a taster would say. Yeah, payload manipulation. That's all this is. Okay, this time... for real. Okay. Remember to mash? I have to mash out of the like hero, else I lose my shield. Okay. Alright, well it was a bit of a process, but we made it. We made it over here. I'll see if I can actually get the jump. Not quite. Yeah, it's very cool how that works out. I'm in the hole, yeah. Sorry for the scuff run, guys. I knew this was how it would be. I didn't have the RNG. I think I'll probably beat that time. I think this will still be world record. There we go. Oh my god, 6 minutes. I'm glad I don't have my old splits up here. I'm glad I cleared all my splits, otherwise I would be very depressed right now, looking at all the red. Because, I mean, this is the same as Ages 9%, almost, so I could have just had my old splits up here. I mean, when I first ran, I don't think anyone would buy that. What I am curious about is whether this will beat my Ages 90% PB. I mean, it won't be a valid run for Ages 90%, but I'm curious if it would beat my PB by the time I get to the Ace section. My P is like a 132, I think. You have high hopes, yeah. I mean, if I get D4 skip first try, then maybe. Yeah, maybe. I mean... yeah, I mean, you need to mark the file as completed. So, I mean, if you count that as completing it, then sure, I guess. You don't watch the credits, but you can. It's the file is considered completed. Why wouldn't it be valid? Because I need to trigger the credits in Oracle of Ages, and I'm not going to trigger the credits because... I'm not going to trigger the credits in this game. I'm going to trigger the credits in Oracle of Seasons, because that's when the linked run ends. What do I even do right now? I guess I just go to the tree. This has never happened before. It must be because of Maple. Like, I bumped into Maple, and she took the different items from me. I know, so many frames lost. Theoretically, it was possible to get Aegis linked ending though. Yeah, that's true, but I don't think we would consider it valid. I think this is the closest thing to be considered a valid run. Because we could just turn Aegis into a linked file and then trigger the credits. No, I did not get the powering. You mean the rules you just changed yesterday, Nitros? I mean, obviously they need to be changed. Well, they need to be changed anyway because of, well, spoilers. I'm not gonna talk to Zelda. Wait, I go this way. Yeah, I know. But we're gonna need to change the rules anyway, so like... I think in terms of rules, it makes sense to require you to beat the other game. Like, it's not just linked ending, it's like doing both games. I don't know, that's what I think. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I wonder if you do even need to have the requirement of having the first file beaten. I mean, you do need to get to the next game, but like... Yeah, I don't know. The important thing is triggering credits in the second game, I guess. It's very unusual, like... It's very strange. This isn't a normal thing for categories to have to think about, because it's not normal to play multiple games which are connected to each other. And then there's the passwords, like... Because there's a set of passwords that works on all files. So, like... Yeah. That adds a potential another layer of complication, not for this, but like... Like, you have to ban pre-made passwords also. But yeah. Lots of complications with this kind of thing. I'd say the text is nice. It's very short compared to the English version. Mashing through text is much faster. It's very nice. playing both games simultaneously. Yeah, I mean, you could theoretically do that in like a linked run where you have to exchange passwords for like 100%. Nobody actually does that. Yeah, only in Hundo would it make any difference. Using one controller is horrible. Nobody should do it. It's not even fun. It's just stupid. Also, these crystals they bother me so much. They're not supposed to look like this. This is like some kind of bug. They're not supposed to be symmetrical. In the English version, they look different. If like good NPCs you mean like thieves who steal all your stuff, then yeah. Okay, see if I remember how to do this. Ah. I saw that just now, by the way. Picking up the bomb from the ground. Okay. Why the quick bracelet, only bracelet? Yeah, basically you duplicate your shovel and get all of the stuff at once. Saves a lot of backtracking. And that jump is very nice. It's one of my favorite jumps. Cane block? I mean like picking up a cane block? I think it would work with anything you could pick up. At least anything you could pick up in an instant. Yeah, but it looks so cool unbuffered. All he missed was the Toke item duping for the shovel duping with the Tokes. Get all my items. Also, I should be using Pixel Seed, I guess. My equips are very clearly not optimized. Fair to say. Yeah, nothing much interesting is happening until the end of the run. I guess I could do the manip here even if I wanted because I don't have the power ring, so it wouldn't work. Doesn't matter because I didn't practice it anyway. RNG. Oh, I forgot. He's not manip's move left, so I'm almost dead now. So that's fine. I thought they were hearts not special. Need some hearts, please. Lots of bombs. It'd be embarrassing if I died in this dungeon. It's true, I don't have a potion, but even still, I don't want to die in this dungeon. I was not looking, I almost ran into that pea head. Is there a heart here? I guess not. Oh, that was too early. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Now it looks like I'll need the rupee chest. Yeah, even with this, I'm gonna need like another 23 rupees? No, just 13 rupees. Yeah, I think I need 13. I mean, no, just 3 more rupees, that's fine. Yeah, that should be enough. $250, really? That many? That many? Very strange how that interaction worked over there. The feed went right through him. Well, okay, but including the shield. I have enough now, right? Because I already got the shield. Oh, I forgot. I need to get the shield again. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I've not done a round of this, like, with the new routes. Yes. Oh, was that? I thought that was a cache to see chest. Oops. Oh well. I'll manage. I don't need that. Why did I get that? So I guess I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hope for rupee drops, and if not, I can always talk to the old man, I guess. I guess it would have been faster to go back for the chest even after I went past it, but oh well. This is common knowledge, I think, but you can soft lock here if you screen transition before Dimitri talks to you. You can soft lock. Patched in the European version. Yeah, so I need 70 rupees for the Goron games. I should be running. Why am I walking? Switch of chests. Yeah, I guess you're right. Good call. As long as I have enough rupees for the minigames before that, which I do. I think it's just the Goron dancing. Wait. I haven't played this game in a while. But if I can get D4 skip first try, then I'll be vindicated. No RNG manip, no buffering, yeah, just like a test. I mean, test technically RNG this, but not obviously. Yeah, it took me like 4 or 5 tries and 100%, which wasn't great. You know, I'm gonna... If I have to do all of Dungeon 4, if I fail the thing too many times and have to do the whole dungeon, I'm gonna be really low on Pegasus Seeds. So I really hope I get the D4 skip. I'll probably be fine either way, actually. But I just want to get the skip because it'll vindicate everything. Yeah, you're right. I was thinking I should be low on seeds because I did not do the manip in D3. But I don't know, I guess I just have not been using seeds because... I don't know, because I don't know what I'm doing. That, and I think I got a seed drop or two from Hag. Okay, moment of truth. Well, not moment, but in a moment, it'll be the moment. Time to do D4. Time to do D4 skip. Get this first try. Okay, first subpixel setup. Now, 1, 2, 3. Listen for... What do I listen for? That was not it. I'm gonna have to try this again. How's it? If I can just get this position. One more. Yeah, I think that's it. Unless it's not. That's it. Unless it's not, I'm gonna say this is it. No, wait. This is it. I think. I waited too long. I was too preoccupied in my position, I waited too long. Now, I messed it up. That was really bad. Sorry for hitting the mic. The mic is between me and the reset button. I'm moving the title screen too quickly, and that's why it's taking so long. I am trying to jump across this gap. It's very difficult. I have to manipulate the RNG and make these enemies move in a specific way to get a triple damage boost. There we go. Second try, that's not too bad. Not total vindication, because it wasn't first try, but I'll take it. First try tile room, yeah. But yeah, it was still definitely worth it compared to actually doing Dungeon 4. Now we're just gonna dip into Dungeon 5 really quick to get the Cane of Samaria. Except I should probably get the key first. I'm gonna get a world record this run, by the way. Get that for world record. Wonder how soon it happens. Well, I'm not going to spoil it. You're quitting forever. You said you wanted to run this category. If this is what record said you wanted to run it. Interesting. I knew it was called the Bojo tree. The Arbre Bojo. I didn't know the reason for that. Isn't the Deku tree is like the the Mojo tree, right? I wonder why that is. Where am I even going right now? Okay, I don't know if I remember how to do this text warp. Let's see. It's clearly not how it goes. There we go. IMPG, yep, found Ace in Seasons, kind of. Have to do Ages 90% first though, so just have to finish up Dungeon 6 and then get to that point. Do I not have bombs? I see. Wonder if there's better swag I can do there. I didn't miss the pattern, did I? There it is. I was getting worried for a second. Yeah, this is a pretty boring part. Yeah, at least during subversion dancing you can move around a bit. Great sequence skip. Yeah, not in this game, unfortunately. Yeah, but that's where it skips everything, not just the trade sequence. This whole area of the game, it's what's skipped. I'm not sure if that really counts. I almost went the wrong way. Does it get bombs from here? No, it gets bombs from the chest, doesn't it? The chest and the... Oh, yeah, that chest, yeah. There's no way to skip doing the trading sequence if you want to get the mermaid key, I'm saying. Okay, we're finally done with the trading sequence. Now see if I remember how to do this dungeon. And yeah, I don't have bombs. Don't have enough bombs. No, I really hope that the ace actually works, because if it doesn't work, I'm gonna look a bit foolish. It should work, just like, you know, you never know what can go wrong. Typed the character wrong, that would be tragic. Might need one more drop, I'm not sure. What? I'll drop. Did I kill all the hands? Oh well. Ace Standard, thanks. Yeah, I better make sure I have bombs when I get to the ace part. Good reminder. I need more than one, actually, because I need to do it a few times. No manip here, because I don't know, I'm too lazy to learn it right now. So please just spawn over there. There we go. I really need more bombs, I'll get them in the next room. Oh, I've missed your fire. Use bombs. Didn't bother to prepare my RNG program things, so I'm just gonna do this. This is a very lazy run, as you can tell. I'm not very well prepared, but I just want to get the ace. Alright, that was like 4th try or something. Yeah, it's all for the content. Not because I was too lazy to actually prepare my stuff. Or to learn an RNG manip or anything. Just like I was too lazy to actually learn how to do the bomb jump with a new manip. Or relearn the old manip, or do anything with that. I'm just gonna get the key. Look, I just have a lot of stuff on my screen right now. I didn't really want to bother having another window up to do that. Well, I have my notes for the ace up in here and all ready, right in front of me. And also for RNG manips, like for the D4 jump thing, notes on what to listen for. Stuff like that. My splits, I got chat, I've got OBS. I got a lot of stuff up on one monitor. So the other monitor is showing the game right now, so... Ace starts soon. I beat this dungeon, I get the Tune of Ages, and then the ace starts. Don't need chat, I mean... I would probably do more better if I didn't have chat open, but I'm not gonna close chat. That's true, actually. Yeah, actually, if chat wasn't open, I would have forgotten to buy the shield. So, yeah. Ace is coming up very soon, just after I beat this dungeon and get the Tune of Ages. It's nice to play in Japanese with this boss, because there's no chance of him actually despawning, as far as I know. I don't need that heart, what am I doing? Yeah, maybe I should, but oh well, it doesn't matter now. Yeah, despawning, you know, in the US version, he sometimes just doesn't appear at all when he first out of the water. Yeah, close call, but luckily I didn't get the heart container. Let's see if I can do guard skip. I'm not very consistent with this trick. I'm sure it could be if I actually practiced it. That was not good. I know there's multiple setups. I'm probably doing a very bad setup. But this is the one I know, so I'm gonna do it. There we go. We still need to visit this tile, because we always need to visit this tile if we're gonna select the map tile out of bounds. No matter what we're doing. $37? I don't think it was that many warps. But it felt like it. Okay, so yeah, we're about to get to Tune of Ages, and Ace is going to start immediately after that, and we find out. Can it be performed earlier? We need a completely new way to do it if we want to do it earlier. But like, not with what we know right now. So, I'm gonna have a lot of difficulty explaining what's going on. I might save it for after the run, but I'll see what I can do. So I named Link a specific name at the beginning of the run, and then I gave the child a name also at the beginning of the run. Link's name is a payload, which when executed, will open the menu to change the child's name. And the child's initial name is a payload, which when executed, will insert a return opcode so that the game doesn't crash when I execute that as code. So that's the initial setup, and then after that I continue renaming the child based on the menu that comes up because of Link's name. And when I keep renaming the child, I keep giving it new payloads to execute, and those payloads will overwrite data in my save file, like directly on the save file. The problem with that is that when I change the save file data, it messes up the checksum. When the checksum is wrong, then the data cannot be loaded. So, I need to do this in a way which does not change the checksum. So I have a very specific setup for this. First we need to get out of bounds and actually reach the place where we can do ace. Checksum collision, yeah. Normally we could just write to the save file directly, but for various reasons that's kind of difficult to do, so I mean, instead of, we could just write to the data that's copied to the RAM, and if we could edit that, we could just save over the save data, and then we wouldn't have to worry about the checksum. But for various reasons we can't actually do that. Well, luckily it's not MD5. It just sums up all the, it just takes the sum of all the words in the file, so it's easy to just correct it by writing to another variable. Let's see if I remember how to... I better remember how to do the setup. Set my subpixel by jumping like this. Better save, actually. I should have copied the file, but I guess it's whatever. I believe it's right here. That was too low, I think. Too low. A bit higher up. Yeah, the ace is just starting right now. Doing setup here to put the bomb in a specific area in memory. Throw it up. The bomb is subpixel. There we go. Okay, the initialize worked. Now I just have to enter the code. Okay. Now. Low, low. No. This unlocks the save RAM so we can write to it. And now the rest is just writing directly to the save data. Oh. So. Lala. Now we just change the first and last characters. Z. Kuha. Kepu. Chito. Teo. Nana. Eiji. Wait, that was the wrong one? Oh, I didn't do this. Okay, looks good. I'm not reading chat, by the way, I need to focus here. Okay, bomb exploded, need to set this up again. Wait, that was wrong. It should be fine, just need to fix it. Change the second last character. Okay, this should be it. Now, we see if the file changed. Didn't work. Why didn't it work? Okay, so if it fails, then the file just does not change at all, because the checksum failed and restored from a backup copy of the file. Zumogefufu, Link's name is correct. I'll try it again. Might have been because I entered that name wrong one time, although I didn't think it would matter. Yeah, they back up the file. So I could have just copied it, but instead, yeah. Yeah, you need to learn Japanese for the... Well, it helps a lot to learn Japanese. At least be able to read kana. Obviously, you can just memorize the inputs, but it's kind of annoying. Now, I really hope there's nothing weird with my save file that could cause problems. I'm pretty sure I accounted for absolutely everything that could go wrong, but... I don't know. Maybe I missed something. Can't do this again. Yes, it was supposed to be the small version. Okay. Yeah, child's name, initial name is correct, so that's fine. I'm gonna take this a bit slower this time. Okay, well that's it. Alright, I just gotta hope it works this time. If it doesn't work, then I don't know what's wrong. Alright. Worked. Okay. Our file name changed, as you can see. Okay, now we switch over to Oracle Seasons. It's really annoying to insert the cartridge because the link cable's in the way. Okay, I cleared all my files just to be safe, just so there definitely would be no interference from the existing files. Alright, come on, just setting up the link here. Alright. And, wait for it. And that's it. I apologize to anyone who wanted to see actual gameplay in Oracle Seasons. You can actually move Link around in here, it's interesting. What? Wait a minute. Does that count? Okay, what happened? This never happened before. Hang on, let me just redo this. I'm not sure if that counts, so I'm just gonna redo this. Just need to redo the link again, doesn't matter if I copy the file over or not. Okay, for real, we're done now. I'm not gonna move Link this time. I don't know what that was about. Maybe we should leave time until we actually lose control of Link, because I guess we can crash the game. Yeah, just not gonna touch the controller this time, just let it play. Yeah, when does timing end? I have no idea, honestly. Okay, I think we're safe now. There's nothing else I can do. Yeah, you don't actually have to play Seasons anymore. Okay, so let me see if I can explain a bit what happened there. So, there were two vulnerabilities which I exploited in the link cable. The first vulnerability was a problem with the when you set the linked game flag to a value which is neither 0 or 1, the game reads from an invalid address when initializing the file, which just causes a ton of important variables to get corrupted. And that's why I spawned in a completely wrong room and with a bunch of corrupted stuff like a weird item and glitched rupees. Yeah, this is the linked ending. All you have to do is make sure that the linked flag is set when you initialize the file, and then it'll be the linked ending. Yeah, so the file was corrupted, and it was corrupted in a way which did a few important things. It let us bypass the intro because it set some important game progression flags to allow us to open the menu and not be unconscious when the game started. So then I opened the map menu, and that triggered the second vulnerability. The second vulnerability was the animal companion being corrupted. So when the animal companion is an invalid value, the game normally attempts to draw different tiles on the map screen depending on who the companion is, but if it's an invalid companion, then the game corrupts memory, and it does this in a way which the game goes haywire, and it just so happens to jump to an address which is fully controllable by the link cable. It contains the file data for our Oracle of Ages file, at least the first like 22 bytes or so. So we can control that, then send it over the link cable, execute it in Oracle Seasons, and yeah. That works. And I've compared a very in-depth blog post. Let me actually just publish that right now, and I'll link you. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, just push this, and hopefully that'll do everything I need to do. It's not updated or something. Okay, I'll wait for a few minutes to get for GitHub to update, I guess. Okay. Yeah, detailed write-up, like, literally as soon as GitHub updates. Wait, page build failure? What? Why? GitHub, why? Okay, I'll need to fix that. Well, it'll be uploaded soon. The same as the SMW save file ace. Interesting. But the music is a bit quiet here. That's because we opened the map menu and the music is slightly muted when the map menu is opened. So it's just a bit quieter than it's supposed to be. And you ace there at 100% all items and finish seasons. There's not enough room really to do that. I mean, okay, you can get total control and do anything, I guess. But like, what do you want to do that for? Like, what's the point? Like, I'm sure you could do a similar setup to Ages where you just keep opening the child's name menu, and then just do whatever you want. But like, what's the point? Why would you want to do that? What more do you want? Okay, let's yeah, you're welcome. Just yeah, don't play any scenes at all. So this file. So see how Link, look at how sprite Link is. He's holding his shield out. If I move immediately, he stops holding his shield out. That's actually extremely convenient because it executes Link's... Link's sprite gets copied to a temporary buffer and it gets executed as code, which is normally something that actually screws up the setup because then it fails to reach our payload. But that particular sprite of Link holding his shield out actually jumps directly to our payload and skips anything that could cause it to crash. So... it's extremely convenient. I have no idea why he even has that sprite, but he does. So it's great. And yeah, inventory menu. I think the language variable is incorrect, which is why all the text is so messed up. Look, world record, do you see that? It said world record. I don't have a ring box, but even though I don't have a ring box, all the rings are messed up. Yeah, and this guy. Again, I think this is because the language variable is messed up. Even though there aren't alternative languages in the Japanese version, I think they have some sort of a... Why do I get to spawn Link over here? That's because a huge... Like, basically the entire initial file data got corrupted. We told it to read a table from ROM, which is in a completely wrong area, which just corrupts a bunch of weird variables to weird values. Yeah, we can't really control it very well. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear those two notes? I think that's the unused song in Oracle Seasons. I think it was just playing that before it crashed. There's not a whole lot we can do in this file, because, everything crashes, we can't escape this area, we have no items. And we can... well, I guess we have some item. We don't know what this item is, but we have something. And I think this just loops. Yeah, it just loops forever. Yeah, that's exactly it. We have a set of glitched files which we can choose from. There's one glitched file which reads from the very end of our controllable data from the link port. So like we can control exactly 3 variables if we use that file. We can control 3 variables to any value we want, but it's not very useful because, well, we can do some stuff with it, I guess, but this is better.